Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and this is the first video I'm doing after returning from the 85th Sturgis rally. And it was a good time. Look at the videos that I have, and it was a really good time. However, it was a rainy and a hot Sturgis this year. It was a hot one. The first week was rainy, and the second week it was rainy, but man, let me tell you, it was hot. So that brings us to today's video. We're gonna talk about Ultracool. Now, if this is the first time you're hearing about Ultracool, let me give you the A to Z on what Ultracool is. It's an oil cooling system that you install on your Harley Davidson motorcycles, and it cools your engine oil temperature by up to 50 degrees. That's right, I don't know how they do it, but it works. And also, we're gonna cover a brand new model that has just now been released to the market and an upgrade to a previous model that they have. They came up with a new model that's going to fit your 2023 CVO road glides and regular road glides and above. They also upgraded a previous version that they had for your Gen 1 M8s for your bagger models. Now, it's the same oil cooling system. However, the brackets that they used to install it have been upgraded. But honestly, the first version that I have on both of my 131 cubic inch road glides, I haven't had any issues. The placement of them has been perfect. They haven't moved on me. They haven't messed up or marred any of my paint or cylinders. It's been great. So the fact that JJ over at Ultracool decided to upgrade the brackets and how they fit in there, it just speaks volumes for Ultracool. Now, the one that they upgraded, or the new one that they came up for your 2023.5 CVO road glides and regular road glides and above, is also going to be an easy install. And I'll cover how you do that. I won't install it on my road glide right now because I don't have that kind of time, but I'll show you how to do it because it's very simple. It's not hard at all. Okay, so now let's see what's on the newly released oil cooler for your 2023.5 road glides and above. And that is the model number. I hope it comes out. Okay, so when you open the box, you're going to get this bag here with zip ties and Loctite and the special tool that you're going to need to tighten up to install the your oil cooler. So you're gonna have this and little rubber pads just to make sure everything's good. And then here's your brackets. They're all rubber. And the nice thing is I already have these installed on my 131, so I can show you. But look at this bracket right here. It's metal with hard rubber all around it. So it's gonna damp the vibration and is also gonna keep your Ultracool oil cooler where it needs to be, which I'm a fan of. And that's how their brackets are. You get this harness, and essentially you connect it to your battery, positive and negative, and you run this to your oil cooler, you connect it, and obviously you zip tie this basics cable where it needs to go, and that's pretty much it. You get the oil lines themselves, so here they are. You get this mounting bracket where you install your oil cooler, and you have this adapter they're gonna use for the install. See, pretty simple, nothing crazy. And last but not least, or I guess this is the last part, is your oil cooler itself. I just like how they always wrap everything so well. I just want to open this up. So this here, oh, I dropped something. Oh, it was just the little protector that was on here. But this is your oil cooler, all right? It's nice and new. You have their brand on there. You know, everything's good. Here it is, made in the United States. Here you have 2 fans. And this is where you have your connections where they go ahead and plug in. Now, if you want to run this all the time, they do sell a jumper, or it comes with a kit. You install it on here. So what happens is when you turn on your motorcycle, it comes on with it. So, oh look, and this one's rubber padding there already, but this is it. So how do you install it? It's very simple. Ultracool includes an installation guide, and it's very, very well done. So if you've never done this before, you can do it, and that's actually a nice paint job there. Good job, JJ. So here it is. So the first page is going to tell you all the parts that are supposed to be with the kit, which I just showed you in a nutshell, right? So this is how you install it. You remove your oil filter, and your oil filter, you're going to have this piece right in here, right? Which is going to you're going to take that out, and you're going to replace it with this piece, and that is going to bolt this piece onto your where your oil cooler would be at, right? And then once you do that, you install your oil filter, and it's done. And in terms of this here, these are where your 2 lines are going to connect to, these 2 lines right here, and they're going to connect to the Ultracool here. So that's where you get the flow in and out of the oil cooler. And in terms of installing the fan, it shows you how I'm showing you obviously the installation process for the newer Road Glides here. And look, dude, everything's here, tells you exactly how to do it. They even show very good pictures here for illustration. They include the wrench sizes and how you need to remove certain things and all that, and where you plug in the wires. Everything is in here. Everything is in here. And this is what it looks like installed. I don't know if that's the best view there, but on a newer model Road Glide. Since I don't have it installed on my 23.5 Road Glide yet, I wanted to show you what it looks like installed on my 2019 Mako Shark CVO. It's very simple. It's just mounted here to the side. You have your oil lines that go in and out. They go to the adapter that I showed you back there. And the wiring is routed under the tank here to the back. And that's pretty much it. And this engine is pushing 167 horsepower with about 158 or so torque. Now this is the one I have installed on my 131 turbo engine that Trash Performance built for me. As you can tell, these lines, I probably need some new ones because I put it through its paces. So this Ultracool system has right around 38,000 miles and it's never failed me, it's never leaked on me or anything like that. And this turbo engine is pushing roughly 200 plus horsepower, and I say plus simply because it has a boost controller, so I can go from 8 pounds up to 15 pounds of boost. And the new Ultracool model that came out is gonna get installed on this motorcycle. It's a 153 cubic inch engine built by All American Cycle, and it's pushing 200 wheel horsepower and 178 or 180 foot-pounds of torque on pump gas. Ain't that insane? Like, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now that I've covered what Ultracool is about, what it does, and I showed you what's in the box and also how they've worked great for my builds, I also want to mention that if you notice, a lot of the people that are running these bigger engines include an Ultracool oil cooler to their build, right? It's definitely optional, but in the heat here in the South, in Houston, from Miami, Florida, over to San Diego and this whole area, Arizona for sure, you might want to consider getting this installed because it's very well priced in my opinion at the price point that it is. And if it cools your engine off, it just gives you a peace of mind that your engine's not going to overheat on you and essentially get ruined, because that's one way an engine can blow, and that just sucks. Some people have made YouTube videos about it, and it just sucks when you throw so much money at these engines and they blow because they start malfunctioning because they just got too hot. The installation process is very simple. I haven't installed it on my 23 CVO bagger yet, but I will. Until then, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button. Go check out Ultracool website. If you have any questions, give JJ a call. He always answers his phone call, and if he doesn't answer, he'll call you right back. He's a man of his word. It's a great company. It's American made. And just to put a little icing on top of the cake, if you are interested in any of their products, go ahead and use my code 2147CREW and you'll get 10% off your entire discount. And I'm also forgetting to mention that they also sell an oil filter that's reusable, and they claim that it will reduce your engine oil temperature by an additional 10 degrees. Or if you just want to get that versus this, it's kind of up to you, but if I had to pick one, I would probably pick this, but personally, I would probably go with both. I mean, why not? So until then, guys, you guys be safe. Now I'm gonna drink some water because it's super hot down here in Houston. And I'm gonna go inside and cool off. But I wanted to make this video for you guys because I think this is very important for you guys to know, especially if you have your newer models. You're gonna do big upgrades just like I have. So you guys be good, peace.